What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I'm going to share 4 fresh working promo code for midjourney.com you can use right now and get amazing discount on that. So how you can use that code? Simply add this code on a checkout page and you will get discount according to the terms and condition. So here is a 4 fresh working code you can use right now for midjourney.com, and if you want more code I will simply drop the link in the card section. Simply check out that simply check out the card section and you are able to find video which I created in past. Few codes are still working and even you can access the cheat code for MidJourney. I will give you the link on top or a end screen, okay, on the card section or a end screen, and this code is working in all over the country. And let me tell you one more thing, you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. So let me start from the code number first. The code number first is this is last minute deal at a MidJourney by using this code. This is code number 2 which is valid for a limited time, you can use this code for that. And this is third where you will get exclusive discount on this by using this code, and this is last where you will get 40% discount by using this code. These all four codes are working right now, and then you will get awesome discount on that. So how you can use it? Simply use this on a MidJourney and you can easily access this from here. And if you want more MidJourney codes, let me know in the comment section, because these codes are expired really fast because they are using heavily, that's why. So if you want more, let me know in the comment section. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching.